I'm a little hassled, but I am truly excited. I am loving. See the movie and let me know how it is.
Is the film ready? Have you seen?
I haven't seen it.
Nothing?
I haven't seen it. I have seen portions of it. डबिंग करते वक्त मैंने दो चार मैंने आधा घंटा ऐसे ही चुपके से देख लिया चोरी चोरी करके लेकिन I haven't seen the whole film per se as a whole put together, but so far so good. Cross my fingers.
Kajal, Shah Rukh sir said that this will be a cinematic experience for everyone who watches it because of the scale on which the film is shot. So what can you say about that?
Well, we have tried to make it as like Shah Rukh says. Honestly, he's the producer, so he always strives as a producer कि उसके बैनर पे जितनी भी पिक्चरें बनती हैं वो पिछले पिक्चर से बेहतर हो और इस बार आई थिंक पीवीआर ने बहुत अच्छे स्क्रीन्स भी बनाए हुए हैं उसके लिए तो यू नो व्हेन यू गो एंड वॉच इट होपफुली यू विल एंजॉय इट इवन मोर एंड आई थिंक ऑनेस्टली दैट द फिल्म whenever we make films or whenever I do a film, I would like to make a film to entertain people और लोगों को पसंद आना चाहिए, मुझे पसंद आना चाहिए. मैं ऐसी पिक्चरों में मुझे ऐसी पिक्चरों में काम करना है जो चाहिए जो मुझे पसंद आए, जो मुझे देखने की ख्वाहिश हो उससे. तो आई थिंक दैट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट.
बच्चे बड़े हो रहे हैं तो आप चाहेंगे कि वो दोनों भी ये फिल्म देखें?
बिल्कुल, मैं उनको डेफिनेटली दिखाने वाली हूँ पिक्चर. वो पता नहीं मेरा बेटा बैठेगा ही नहीं पता नहीं पूरी पिक्चर के लिए. गाने वाने में वो पक जाएगा मुझे पता है, लेकिन कोशिश तो यही है कि दोनों को पिक्चरें दिखाऊं ज़रूर.
इतने दिनों बाद आप फिल्मों में आई, अभी किस तरह की तैयारी आपको करनी पड़ी इस फिल्म के लिए पर्टिकुलर?
इस फिल्म के लिए काफ़ी ऐसी कोई तैयारी मैंने की नहीं है, बट येस आई एम वेरी हेल्थ कॉन्शियस और आई एम वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड. सो तो हाँ, मैं वर्कआउट I'm a workout freak. I like to go to the gym. I like to keep it, this thing on my diet, workout. वो सब of course ध्यान दिया. 6 महीने पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले 3-4 महीने पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले मैंने ज़रूर ध्यान दिया. And so I'm happy with the way I'm looking.
In the art of filmmaking, like what exactly attracts you as an artist? The role, the making, what gives you that extra kick?
Well, I honestly think first of all the script is what attracts me to films. And secondly, what I can do with it. I think that's what makes it interesting for me. Otherwise, it's not interesting. I mean, अगर ऐसा ही कोई रोल है जो मैंने मतलब पिछली 10 बार किया हो या 15 बार किया हो या 20 बार किया हो, that I can do with my eyes closed, with my hands tied behind my back, it doesn't make any sense for me to do the film then anymore. I think if I do a film, I want to do a film because I want to make something different out of it. जैसे अगर हर बार रोज़ दाल चावल बनाओगे तो कभी ना कभी लगता होगा कि आज चिकन बना देती हूँ या आज मटन बना देती हूँ. तो ऐसा ही कुछ मेरा हाल है.
आप शाहरुख में कितना ग्रोथ पाती है?
आपको तो सवाल का जवाब मिलने ही नहीं वाला है, अब बता दो.
कितना आप ग्रोथ पाती है शाहरुख में एज अ एक्टर, एज अ दोस्त, कितना बदलाव आया है?
As a human being, I would say he's really evolved. He's grown as a person. I think his attitude towards life is wonderful to see right now. I think he's got this lovely, nice. He's in a nice place, personally speaking. And as an actor, of course, I think he's amazing as an actor. I've always said that whenever I work with him, I have it's a learning experience for me whenever I work with him. So I've learned so much for him and from him. And I think that every time, जैसे इस फिल्म में भी मुझे लगता है कि मैं कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर सीख के आई हूँ. शायद मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि वो क्या है एग्जैक्टली, बट आई नो कि अगली पिक्चर करूँगी तो कहीं ना कहीं उसकी कोई सीख मेरे दिमाग में ज़रूर रहेगी. बिल्कुल, क्योंकि जब दिलवाले की स्क्रिप्ट सुनी थी तो मैंने मुझे कहा था कि इतने दिन हैं आउटडोर पे, तो मैं एक्चुअली सोच रही थी मैं करूँ नहीं करूँ, क्योंकि मुझे आउटडोर ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. मेरे बच्चे हैं घर पे, उनको अकेला छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So I actually asked her, I said, baby, it's going to be a really tough film for you guys as well because I'm not going to be there at that time. और actually उसने घूम फिर के मुझे बहुत ही सुंदर एक जवाब बोला कि mom, just because you love me, that doesn't mean that you can't love anything else. And of course मेरे तो आंसू निकलने शुरू हो गए वहीं पे, टिपिकल फिल्मी मॉम की तरह, क्लीशेड. सो मैं बहुत रोई उस वक्त, लेकिन मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे ऐसे they've given me permission to do the film actually.
Is she excited, your daughter?
Yes, she is very very excited. She's dying to see the film. और मुझे ऑलरेडी बोला गया है कि ट्रायल रखना पड़ेगा उसके दोस्तों के लिए.
Did your husband influence you to? Both are big films. What's your stand on it?
Honestly, my stand on it is the same stand that I have as far as the number one position is concerned. That I don't believe in the rat race. I believe that there is more than enough for everybody to go around. And God willing, touch wood, if they are both good films, they will both do well.
Okay, did your husband influence you to?
जी नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मेरे बच्चे हैं, मेरी एक्टिंग की प्रैक्टिस नहीं छूटी है.
Okay, thank you. Your husband has actually worked with Rohit Shetty several times.
Yeah.
Okay, so has he influenced you in any way to say yes to this film?
Well, he has definitely influenced me, no two ways about it, because I could not have done this film without his help. Because he was the one actually who turned around and told me that you don't worry about the kids. I'm going to stay at home. मैं संभाल लूँगा. तो तू जा, तुझे काम करना है. तुझे ये पिक्चर करनी है या नहीं करनी है. So I said, no, I want to do the film. I like the film, but I'm going to be away from the kids. So he turned around and he said, you don't worry about it. You want to do the film? You will do the film. I will make it happen. I will make it possible. So I think that's true love.
Kajol, since you said that you've learned a lot from Dilwale,
Yeah.
have you also learned some marketing skills from
I'm sitting here ना. ये इंटरव्यू क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं? मार्केटिंग स्किल्स मेरे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे आप लोगों को अभी तक. अभी तक मेरा जलवा नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है.
Kajol, you are doing this film after 5 years, so will we see you doing more films after this?
I definitely want to work more, maybe not at the pace that anybody else does. I definitely want to do one film in 2 years, one film, around about that time. That time I think is perfect. I don't want to do more than that. I definitely don't plan to do more than that, no.
काजोल, आप अपने आप में कितना growth?
Sexism in the film industry, since you've been around for many, many years, have you encountered any instances of sexism that like a male star is preferred, or the pay gap that is very prevalent?
The pay gap is very prevalent. I won't say that it's not. It's definitely there. I also think it has to do with the economics of the situation, but I also think it has to do with what society has somewhere down the line taught us. There is an inequality in genders as far as our society is concerned, and that is huge. So we will have to bridge that gap before we come up to the pay standards, as they say.
काजोल, आप अपने आप में कितना growth महसूस करती हैं?
Sorry?
आप अपने आप में इतने साल में कितनी growth महसूस करती हैं?
अपने आप में बहुत ग्रोथ महसूस कर रही हूँ. मतलब मैं इतनी बड़ी हो गई हूँ, मुझे लगता है ये बिल्डिंग से ज़्यादा बड़ी हो गई हूँ. अपने आप में आई थिंक आई हैव ग्रोन. ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव ग्रोन. इफ आई हैड नॉट ग्रोन आई वुड not be sitting here in front of you so comfortably, so calmly. I think I've grown as an actor. I have had to change as an actor. What was okay for me to do 20 years back is not okay for me to do today, and I realize that, and I definitely want to figure that out. Again, it's always going to be a fight between what is expected and what I expect out of myself. So there is always going to be that fight on in my head and around me, and hopefully that will always challenge me to grow more and more every day. Thank you. Done, Manvi?
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.